Welcome back. We are now inside of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel does have AI tools available through Microsoft Copilot. Any place that you click inside of your spreadsheet, regardless of how you're using it, you can find the Copilot element. You can also open the Copilot on your right side menu. When you open Copilot, Copilot will give you suggestions. Or you can write to Copilot and you can query it about your spreadsheet. So we will write in a query about the spreadsheet. We will then click Enter, and we will allow Copilot to analyze the spreadsheet and then provide an answer. So you can do any kind of analysis inside of your spreadsheet using Copilot and give you a plain language answer about the information that you have in it. Copilot will also give you suggestions on other questions that you can ask. For example, we can ask about the lowest total amount available based on the suggestions given to us by Copilot. And Copilot will provide this information to us here in this area. So you can use Microsoft Copilot along with Microsoft Excel to do deep analysis on the numbers that you have in terms of totals, as well as inside of the spreadsheet. There are a number of AI tools available inside of PowerPoint. For example, one AI tool that is available is Microsoft Copilot, which allows you to create presentations, add slides, and add in images. Another tool available is the Dictate command, which allows you to dictate into PowerPoint into a text box. If you click on this element, you can dictate text. Another tool available within PowerPoint is the PowerPoint Presenter Coach. And basically, you can rehearse your entire presentation and then allow Microsoft PowerPoint to give you feedback in real time about your presentation. Presentation Coach will give you a report based on how well you did your speech inside of PowerPoint, and it uses an AI in order to produce this report. So you can use the AI tools inside of PowerPoint in order to create your best presentation. If you are a user of Microsoft OneNote, when you open Microsoft OneNote, what you may see if you have Microsoft 365 as a subscription is that Copilot is now included in your Microsoft 365 plan. And even while the splash screen is still available, you're going to see Copilot open up on the right side menu. You can either click on Get Started or Close. To use Copilot in OneNote, you can go to the Home tab. You can then click on Copilot as it is available. You can see Copilot available here in this area, and you can exercise many of the same functions that you can in Microsoft Word. You can use Copilot to create elements to put inside of your OneNote. You can use the Understand feature. You can edit or you can ask questions here in this area. For sake of example, we're going to use the Ask command. And all we're really doing is we're prompting in the dialog box, and we can then write in what we want to ask. And we do have our answer. We can copy this information, so we can interact with Copilot inside of OneNote and use OneNote in a way that suits our business. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.